Hi guys, welcome to another video. Out on the bike today, no camping, just a little bit of a gravel ride on a Titus Goldrush. Nice titanium frame. I'll show you in a second what that looks like. It's a beautiful bike. Just doing a loop of the purbecks today. Came over on the Sandbanks ferry. Just borrowed this bike off a friend because I'm going to be buying a gravel bike and just testing this to see kind of what it feels like compared to a mountain bike. But it's a beautiful day today, as you can see. Everything around, glorious blue skies, not a soul about. Beautiful. So yeah, so hope you enjoy, and let's see how these climbers feel. So this is a bike, a Titus Goldrush. It's titanium with SRAM Force 1 all over it. Like I said, it's my friend's bike. He's done a few little upgrades, changed the bars to Ritchie, stem, seat post, saddle, all the bar tape, everything, but still got their standard fulcrum wheels on. Hiya. Sketch. Hell of a climb. I haven't been up that one in a while. Straight up from Corfe Castle. If you see, off there, just there. Steep old climb that. Oh, get the legs burning, but yeah, like I said, it's been a while since I've been over here, and I haven't done much riding this year. So now with the Ride London coming up, a lot of riding required. It's only 100 miles. And it doesn't look that hilly, but I'm sure it'll ache a bit more because I haven't really done any riding over the winter. But let's plod along on the ridge. As you can see, it's behind me. Beautiful ridge, straight up. Loads of walkers around. It's a beautiful day. Let's go. Hiya. Thank you. Woo! Very twitchy. Oh, cheers, mate. Cheers, buddy. Thanks. You sure? That's alright. Cheers, mate. Thank you. So we've done most of the ridges. Now, the hardest one to come. The obelisk climb. If anyone's been up this over the purbecks, let me know. Did you get up it? Because getting up it is an achievement. Grip, and towards the end it kicks up really, really steep. Talking probably 25% bottom rough gravel. A few big stones and flints in the way. My word, that's a tough climb. It's ridiculous. I will not be ashamed to say that I hiked a bike for the last bit of it. My God, my fitness is a long way off where it was. But cycle most of it, but then as soon as it kicks up a steep, with my weight, I'm 92 kilos at the minute. Yeah, it takes some severe pushing, and I haven't got the fitness for that yet. Maybe in about a month's time. Like I said, I haven't really ridden much this year at all, but look at the views once you get up here. Over there, there's all Arn, Poole Harbour, Sandbanks, Studland, and then you go all the way around. You may not be able to see it, but you've got Hengistbury Head and Bournemouth Beach, Southbourne, Boscombe, all the way along. 8 miles of gorgeous beach. This is the ridge line as you're going along it, so I'll be going down there in a second, and then you drop down there to Swanage. Nice little beach down there, little coastal town. Absolute haven for caravans and static homes for holidays. But yeah, it's a beautiful spot to stop because this is the highest part now. It's pretty much nothing but dropping down to Old Harry's Rocks and then back onto the road, past the pig, onto the ferry road and back to the ferry. So yeah, take a few minutes here just to chill out, soak up the views, catch my breath, and have a drink, have a little snack as well. That was a decent ride over in the purbecks. Some big hills over there. Just sat on the beach now before I ride home. Go and get some grub on, maybe have a barbecue. Sun's kind of just about, there's a few big clouds around. But yeah, whoa, that has been a really nice ride. If anyone else rides over the purbecks, let me know, because beautiful place to ride. Brutal hills, some of them, depends which route you go, but some really steep ones, way over 25%. What a day. Good day to be out. As you can see over there, That is the purbecks over there. So I've just ridden around the bay. You can see the rocks in the distance. That's Old Harry's Rock, which you would have seen in a couple of pictures that I posted. And yeah, it's got a bit hazy now. But just down Branksome Beach. Really nice spot. A lot of tourists come here because there's a road comes almost directly to the beach and the car park is on the beach, or right just on the prom. So great place to come if you do. There's a few nice beaches. I think Southbourne Beach is my favourite. I used to live just up on the cliff top before we moved a little bit further north of Bournemouth. But yeah, what a day. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a like and a subscribe, and I should hopefully see you out again soon. Probably on a camp, I should imagine, next. But I think it's time now to get the pedals turning because my fitness is nowhere near as good as it used to be. So have a good day.